What?
Oh man, it still does this stupid flash thing. But what up, guys? Good morning. Actually, it's the afternoon. I just got up though. But family is over. My brothers are here. We're going to like some park or something like that to do some sort of hike or something. So I'm gonna get ready to do that now. Just get my fancy shoes on. Yeah, and we'll be off to go. All right. Hey. There's Zach. There's Matt. There's my aunt. Say hi.
Hi.
What park are we going to? Oh, wait a second. We're going to the Wissahickon Park to walk and stuff. I'm still tired. They woke me up.
That was the
Alright, let's
point.
go. That was the
I'm only
point.
tired so you can't run around.
It's not funny. Alright, let's go. We're under arrest. We had to make a quick stop to help move some stuff.
Let's go.
Get out, guys. Come on. Get inside the prison cell. What's up, Lou? Look at those big handcuffs, dude. Put like 2 of your wrists in there, man. Oh, why you gotta touch everything, Matt?
I don't know. I like touching stuff.
Yeah, clearly.
You're at Sandy's. There's a lot of water that run down the one mountain near
Yeah.
the Delaware River. And it's like all these waterfalls like frozen over during it.
Oh, up at their house?
Yeah.
That's cool. I did not bring the right shoes for hiking. I don't think any of us did.
Dude, look up there.
Oh my god, it's just mud.
Glad I brought my Converse,
Dude,
guys.
we practice being ninjas.
Oh, how do you even get around this one?
Go up. Into the woods. Oh, never mind. I went the wrong way.
I got this.
You're gonna slip.
Okay, I got Ninja Matt trying to freaking get past me. Jeez.
Oh, the rocks sank into the mud. I stepped on it. It's all slipped out.
We're all progressing here. It's so nice out. It's a little chilly though. I would like it to be warmer.
Yeah.
I definitely want to bring my
Sun's
bike up here. It'd be fun to bring a bike.
Nice part about it being cold is when the sun's out. It feels really good.
Keeping up?
Just, yeah.
Just yeah. Just yeah.
Yeah.
Just yeah.
Just make
Don't
sure
make
you're
them walk
okay.
on their
Stop
own.
staying behind you.
They don't
Oh, we're doing good. Gotta watch out for these beavers that keep cutting through this tree though.
cut through a rock early.
Yeah, clean through.
I'm gonna call that clean, but
Whoa. That's a good way to clean your shoes, Zach.
no, I pulled.
Oh, Matt went way down.
No, you know that Converse had those holes in the bottom, that like lace holes. Here, look. A
Yeah.
pair of Converse has them. I don't know why.
So you can clean them and so air gets in them and dries them out.
Yeah.
Are you holding the bag?
Well, no, they're supposed to. They're Converse.
Hold up.
But they dry.
They're coming. How come the water's green? Is it just how it is?
Huh?
Algae in there?
Algae.
Yeah. You allowed to fish in that? You allowed to fish down there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mountain up to them.
Yeah, that's pretty legit right there. Don't fall.
Having some trouble there.
Don't fall, guys. Don't fall.
Yo, she's gonna say something about this.
Yeah, don't fall.
I'll tell you to drop it first. Oh my god.
That's
Don't fall, Mom.
there's some old steps, yo.
To drop.
Jeez.
You could
Splash.
all of us jumped out. Hang on to the rope real tight.
My mom
Fire
keeps saying we're all gonna fall off the edge because there's a creek right there.
Fire pulled out.
Damn. It's like an Indian statue up there. Wow, I think we went the wrong way.
We got it.
The other way with you.
Yeah, I think we went the wrong way. We got this. Yeah, yeah, you brought the ropes and stakes, right? We gotta climb this thing.
Oh, there's a path right there.
Hey, there's the beaver's den, yeah? That giant beaver that cut through all those logs.
The beaver den. Guy.
We went the wrong way.
That's legit, yeah, that's a drop. This is pretty cool.
We should have been able to see it, right?
Yeah, we walked right past
Oh
it.
yeah, we did. That's it. We weren't looking up until after we got to the bridge.
Yeah. It's nice, Mr. Indian dude. I should have brought my selfie stick so I could get a nice picture with him. That's pretty cool. It's just sitting up here. We were all the way down there, walking along. We walked right past it. It was like a whole trail. We did the hard way too. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
You might not want to go that way.
They went the hard way too.
You might want to start turning. That's a bad way. You have to
Nah,
find
keep
one.
coming. You're good. You got slackers back there.
Yeah.
Look, the water though.
You almost tasted.
You can almost taste it. Dare you.
No, that's okay. Give us a few minutes, please.
Stragglers!
Move that. It's done. Watch.
Why you keep throwing stuff? What? Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool. You can do it, Mom. Oh, someone made a little pool there. What? Someone made a little pool right there. Huh?
Kind of a drop it.
Go down and around. How'd you get up here?
Pushed up.
Oh. Whoa.
Came from above.
Whoa.
This is Batman's cave.
Batman's cave. So we're in the old police station here. My stepdad here. It's crazy. It's all empty and stuff. It's like a ghost building or whatnot. Except the power still works. Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
Damn.
Is that a pen out?
Yeah.
That's right. This should be fun. There's Pen Oak Road over on Flower too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1681 to 19. Oh, is it?
Number 1. Yeah. Wow.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Talking to yourself?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I gotta talk to the camera for YouTube.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it makes me sound crazy when I'm doing it, but it's for a good cause.
Thank you, so deeper.
Yeah, I know, right?
I didn't realize this place was so big.
Yeah, it doesn't look as big from the outside.
Nah.
Wow. Just keeps going and going and going. It's all pink in here. Damn. We're really just here taking everything. We're not supposed to be. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, that's the Pope. Cut the red one.
Yeah. Wired. Gotta be wired that somewhere.
I think it's on this side.
Oh.
Ah, it's a metal one.
Yeah, goes to BX. Jeez, oh man.
Oh.
The battery.
All the sprinklers go on.
Huh?
I said, watch all the sprinklers go on. Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so I'm gonna be ending the vlog here for tonight. It's only like 7 o'clock, but my family's in town, so I'm gonna be spending time with them for a bit to end the night, and then I'm also gonna be editing this vlog, watching a movie, stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. We're doing really good with, we did great. My February vlogs, I felt like I was on par with. I got a good bit of them uploaded, not every day, but for the most part, a good bit. You know, like, good amount of vlogs. I'm going to try and keep that pace moving with March. It's going to be getting warmer out. I have tons of things I want to do, so looking forward to that. But as always, guys, keep being awesome, right?